we're gonna make a hexagon ball.
Yeah.
It's a project I worked on when I was a kid, maybe 6th, 7th grade. And try to recreate
6
that.
or 7?
Yes, I was a child at one point, Am. I'm gonna go with a 6-inch base. You want to mark 6 inch?
Yeah.
That'll be right here, but mark this side. Mark this side.
This.
You have to mark at the line, bud. Mark at the line. You see the line? Down here, this line. This line, top to 0. So you want to go like that.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay. And then above the 6?
Yeah, we're gonna create triangles. No, you don't need to. You already know it's there. We're gonna make 5 equal triangles, and we'll put together as a hexagon. Cool?
Yeah.
Or a pentagon, sorry.
I'm shaping myself as a triangle right now.
Yeah. So you have to make sure you get in the center.
Okay.
So what's this between 6 inch? What's the center? Would be
4.
4.
what?
3.
4.
3.
6 divided by 2 is 4.
Oh, but 3. 3.
I said 3.
Yes, you did, Am. It's your brother.
Yeah.
So 3.
Oh, yeah.
Got it? You have to find the center.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna create a straight line so we know exactly where the center of the toe would be. The
I'm
tip.
gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Right?
Okay, yeah. And then you're gonna find 4 inches from there. 4 inch. So you subtract 2 inch from your measurement. If you do it equal 6 by 6 on all 3 sides, you'll make a hexagon.
Hexagon.
So you have to drop 2 inches so you can make it into a pentagon. Okay.
Pentagon.
Here you go.
I'm a little bit confused.
Hmm?
I'm a little bit confused.
Okay. If you do like equal side, equal 6 inch here, here, and here, you'll end up making a pentagon.
Hexagon.
Hexagon. Yeah. Sorry.
So does that mean you have to draw a diagonal?
Yes, sir. So you have to match up this point. There you go.
Okay, so let's try.
Trace out right here, right here. Use the ruler, buddy. Use the ruler this side. Hi, against the ruler. Just like that, okay? So match the top point with the bottom, way up high. There you go, against the line. Good.
Hey, that actually does look like a triangle.
And now you have to make sure that the measurement are the same, so that you are correct.
So is that 5?
So it's 5 and maybe an 1/8. And this one is not. Uh-oh. Was this line straight?
Uh-oh.
Okay, the line was lifted. Let me draw this side.
Wee.
Like and subscribe, guys.
How did you like make it in your class?
The same way we're doing it right now.
Oh.
But I have protractors and stuff.
What's a protractor?
Protractors?
Yeah.
It tells you degrees and stuff, measurements.
What's a degree?
Hmm?
I wonder what's a degree.
Degree is like everything's a 90%, a right angle, and a degree tells you anything between that.
Let's hope we don't get it wrong again.
Yeah. So 5 inches and 5 inches. We're good. Let me show this.
Did I cut it? I want to cut it. Okay, Daddy.
Wait up, high. Wait up, bud.
I'm gonna make sure it's good.
There you go. Use 2 hands. Use 2 hands, else. No, not press it down like that, huh?
Okay.
Put it like this. Okay?
Okay.
And go down like that.
Okay.
If you go like this, you slip, you're gonna cut my finger. Or your finger if you do it by yourself, okay? How am I holding it? There you go. Go lightly on your first round. And the second round, go lightly again. And you'll eventually cut it. Take your time, okay? Make sure we slip this way. Here. There you go. Careful. Same
Now,
thing.
after that, could I pop it out?
Yeah, buddy. Wait up, E-man. Let me check. There you go. So you always start from the top. Go down. There you go. Now close it. Press that button and you close it.
I want to press it out.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can flip it up. There you go. If it's not coming out, don't rip it, okay? Just
cut
use
it?
this.
Okay.
Fold it like this and go against the cover, okay? The
So
crease.
And then it'll
There
be
you go.
much easier.
Yeah. Go. Careful, buddy. Go against the crease. There you go. There you go. That's it. But wait.
The order.
I know. It's always tricky, buddy. But first, before you tear it apart, you know these are your angles.
Yeah.
So draw an arrow here so that way you don't get confused every time.
Okay.
Triangle can be a little confusing, okay?
Okay.
Especially the difference are not that, you know, not that much. All right,
Can I see? Wow.
good?
Yeah.
So here we have a 9-inch by something by 12.
That's a long cardboard.
Yeah. So 10.5 by 12, exactly the dimension we'll need.
Okay.
We'll go this way.
Okay.
Now you're gonna have to trace this out.
Okay.
Trace all the angles, okay?
So how do I do it? Like a line?
Trace it. Just
like,
trace it.
like that?
Just trace it.
Like around the triangle?
Yes, sir.
Dad, get ready, okay? Wait.
Mm-hmm. Are you tracing it, buddy?
I don't
No, don't bend it.
know.
Just go back and forth if you're not sure, okay? Here, let me go up it. Here. Move. Just go like that. Just go like that. Okay?
Okay.
Like that. Trace out the triangle. And then you match up the angle again.
Just to make sure?
No. So you make it hexagon.
No.
Pentagon.
Oh.
So wait up. Make sure the lines are matching. There you go. Here, use that pencil. Like you're struggling with that. Just a little explanation on the setup. So I'm not sure what's the angle each of the edge should be to make the fold into a ball. However, I'm gonna go with around 22 degrees. Also made a wedge, a little wedge, so that way when I do the cut, there's something going against the board to go against, so that way I don't slip and, you know, cut a finger or something. In regard to the cutting, I pretty much just slide the blade back and forth, making sure it's aligned with the line I have and to my liking.
Measurement?
Yeah. There we go. One line is ruined, Dad.
I believe it was something like this.
One line.
No, but go all the way. So you have,
Okay.
so where the corner meets, so I know where to screw it down.
Okay. I got it now.
So,
Just go one full line now. Just go one full line, just like that.
Okay.
Okay. When you're done, give it to me, and I will put the nails on. So make sure this is like that. Okay. So we're at the same location every time. Got it, Eman?
Yeah.
guys, this could be dangerous. So do this under adult supervision.
You're just drawing a line, bub.
Yeah,
What's
actually.
the dangerous parts? You like hold it.
It doesn't need to be perfect, but you want it in the same area.
Done. First one.
We're done. So guys, if you're finished, this is how it's supposed to look like.
Yeah. So you'll have 4 or 5 areas where you put screws in to hold it down with rubber bands. get to work, boys. 3 more.
Yeah.
I did some of them already, but go ahead and finish these, okay?
Yay!
The nails used to hold this, okay? Because there's no way for us to clamp this together with this shape. So now, after we dry fit it high, you're gonna have to mark it so you know where each piece belongs. I'm just gonna go with 1. Just like that, you'll know exactly where each were located, and when you actually put the glue in, it'll be easier. You don't have to guess again. Got it?
What do you mean is a smiley face?
I don't know, smiley face.
Okay, boys. So I did a dry fit of these 5 already. You're supposed to have 12 to complete the whole box.
What's a
the whole
dry
ball.
fit?
A dry fit
Yeah.
is that I put it together without the glue.
Oh.
So just like that.
I
Okay?
thought first you used the rubber bands, and,
Nobody.
and then after that you want to coat it up so that me and Kia can like stick the stick in and submit a glue all over.
Yes, sir. Okay. Pay attention.
Sometimes it could get on you.
Okay. Pay attention.
Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
And no,
So my guess is these 2 screws are like
yes,
supposed
sir.
to be held by a rubber band.
Yes,
So
sir.
I'm a bit like dry.
That's fine. You're gonna get dirty. Okay.
Okay.
So you notice I put a U right here.
Wait, are you?
Or a marking. I put a marking on top. That means it's facing up, okay? At least for this set, it's facing up. So they're all in the same direction. So you're gonna start from there, okay?
Okay.
So what I need you guys to do is put glue here in this area.
Okay. Me and Aaron can do one side and Aaron can do just side.
It doesn't matter, buddy.
Okay.
Do one side so I can start rubber banding it up.
Okay, I get it.
Okay.
I get your plan. You.
Make sure you glue up the two halves and match it up as much as possible. Alright boys, the glue's dry, so now let's go ahead and
Wait, mommy.
yeah, glue's all dry. It's been almost a week. We haven't worked on it for a week. So now it's time to sand down all these glue up, okay?
Yeah, agree.
Who want to start first?
Me, not me. Me.
Okay, put this on.
Dad, where did they get that, Dad?
You have to buy it.
Okay,
Right? Just check your eyes and face.
Okay,
From your
guys.
ugly face.
So,
Okay, let's go.